The Simpson Cleaning SPG8310E portable gas generator and power station with electric start is a robust and reliable power solution for both outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. This generator stands out in the crowded market with its combination of portability, ease of use, and powerful output. First, the build quality is impressive. The SPG8310E is housed in a sturdy frame designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Weighing around 200 pounds, it may not be the lightest option available, but its wheels and handle make it relatively easy to transport. The electric start feature is a game changer, eliminating the frustration often associated with pull start generators. With just a push of a button, the generator springs to life, which is particularly valuable when you need power quickly. In terms of performance, the Simpson SPG8310E delivers a maximum output of 8,300 watts and a rated output of 6,600 watts, making it suitable for powering multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're running tools at a job site, providing backup power during outages, or powering appliances during camping trips, this generator doesn't disappoint. It features a 6.9-gallon fuel tank that allows for up to 11 hours of continuous operation at half load, which is impressive for a gas generator. The noise level is relatively moderate compared to other generators in its class, thanks to its efficient engine design. Additionally, the control panel is user-friendly, featuring multiple outlets including 120/240V options and USB ports for charging devices. However, the SPG8310E isn't without its drawbacks. It can be a bit bulky for some users, and while it's a great performer, it does require regular maintenance to keep it in optimal condition. Overall, the Simpson Cleaning SPG8310E portable gas generator and power station with electric start is a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use generator that meets a variety of needs. Whether for work or leisure, it offers peace of mind when it comes to power supply.